Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something truly special to talk about: the TrueCable RG6 Dual Shield Coaxial Cable. If you're looking for the best RG6 cable in the market, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. This RG6 cable from TrueCable is designed to meet all your connectivity needs. Whether it's for cable television, digital HD TV, digital satellite, cable boxes, routers, modems, antennas, or audio-visual applications, this cable has got you covered. Now, what sets this cable apart? Well, it comes with a bunch of features that make it stand out from the rest. First and foremost, it's dual shielded, with 60% AL wire braiding and 100% AL bonded foil shielding. This means superior protection against interference, ensuring a clear and crisp signal for your entertainment. And let's talk about convenience. It's packaged on a tangle-free, easy-pull reel spool. No more worrying about messy cables on your next job. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The 18 Aruban Florins bare copper conductor is the ideal material for data transmission and low voltage. It's even perfect for satellite installations requiring voltage to the LNB. And remember, it's solid bare copper, which is superior to copper-clad steel for satellite applications. Safety matters. This cable features a riser-rated jacket that's designed for use in between floors, in walls, and non-plenum spaces. It helps prevent fires from spreading between floors, thanks to its mild flame retardants. Plus, the polyvinyl chloride cable jacket is fire safety rated to CMR, CATVR, CL2 standards. But wait, there's more. This cable has been sweep tested up to 3 GHz. It's ANSI, TIA certified to 568.4-DCA-TV RG6 at 150 feet with a Fluke DSX8000 Versive cable analyzer. Plus, it's CETLU certified and RoHS 3 compliant. And here's the cherry on top. It comes with a forever warranty from TrueCable. Before we wrap up, let's touch on a few more details. This product is from a small business brand, so you're also supporting small businesses when you choose it. And as you can see, it's available in different sizes and styles to suit your specific needs. In conclusion, the TrueCable RG6 Dual Shield Coaxial Cable is the best choice for anyone looking for top-notch quality, performance, and safety in their cable installations. Whether you're a professional installer or a DIY enthusiast, this cable has what it takes to get the job done right. So, if you're in the market for the best RG6 cable, look no further. Don't compromise on quality when it comes to your cable installations. That's it for today's product critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more product reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.